Hare Krishna student. Today we will learn about fun with taskpen. That is our chapter 8. We will revise that chapter again because this is the only chapter for our next exam for our exam cycle test 4. Chapter 8 will be the syllabus. So I will show you again how to use taskpen and how to open it and what we have to do with taskpen. Now simply click on taskpen. If you are using the taskpen from your phone, just download that app and click on that app and taskpen will open on your screen. I am clicking on taskpen. Yes, this is our taskpen app. This white background is our drawing canvas. If you are using your taskpen app from your computer or desktop, just click on start button and then click on select all programs and select taskpen app, and your taskpen app will appear and your taskpen window will open. Simply you have to install that app in your desktop also. Now I will show you what are the tools and what are the color plate selector drawing canvas. What are those? I will show you one by one. In your left hand side you can see that there is a toolbar, names tools in upper left corner. This whole symbols are in the toolbar: paint, stamp, lines, shapes, fill tool, magic tool, all those are tool and these all are included in toolbar. In bottom you can see there are many colors in color plate. These all colors are included in color plate. And in right side you can see there are brushes brushes size. You can select brush size, small size, medium size, large size by selecting those selector. Here you can see there is a up arrow key. This is your selector. By selecting that shape or size, you can increase your brush size or decrease your brush size. Yes. Next, how we can insert our background image or insert our background color. Here you can see that there is a white background, full white background. You can change your background color by using new tool. In your toolbar you can see there is a new tool in the toolbar. Just click on new tool. Your solid colors or many other pictures, background pictures will open. Just click on drop down arrow. You can see there is a drop down arrow in the middle of the screen. Just click on drop down arrow. You can see there are many pictures. Yes, there are many pictures: chessboard like pictures, car, e eagle, chicken, fish, elephant, turtle. All those are our background images. We can choose any of them. How we can choose? We can select them by double clicking. I am selecting that aeroplane. You can see there is an aeroplane. Just double click on that aeroplane or any other pictures, whatever you want to select. Just click on that picture, double click. Double tap will open that picture in your background. Just clicking. I am just clicking, double click. Yes. If you have already done something, you have to save it. Or if you don't want to save it, just click on that cross sign. No, don't bother saving. Or if you want to save that previous picture, just click on right sign. I don't have draw anything, so I am not saving that image. I am clicking on that cross sign, and our selected pictures, that is our aeroplane, is in front of us in our white background. What we will have to do? We will just color that picture. How we can color that picture? We can select fill color tool. You can see there is your toolbar and there is a fill tool in the left side of the toolbar. Just select that fill tool, then select your color from your color palette. I am selecting color from my color palette and drop that color on that aeroplane. Just click on fill tool, choose your color from your color palette, tap that color whatever you want to choose, then put it on the picture. Put it on the picture and your color will be saved. Next, we have to fill our image part by part. Next, I will choose any other color and I will choose that color that violet color and put it. Yes. Now I am choose blue color and put it on cloud. Next, we will choose that color and put it on the sky. Yes, this is our image and we have already colored that image with our own choice. Next, what we can do? We can do any other things. Simply we have to make our background white. Next, what should we do? We will click on new tool. Just click on new tool and you can see there are many solid color background. Choose any of them by double clicking. I am double clicking on white screen, white background. I need white background. Just double click on white background and it will show you two options. If you want to save your previous image, then just click on right click, or if you don't want to save that previous image, then click on cross sign. I am just clicking on right sign and that will save my previous picture. Yes, now I have a white background. Here we can draw any other by using any other tool. We can draw anything. Now I am showing you how to use line tool. Just select line tool from your toolbar, then select your size from brush size, then choose your color whatever you want and hold the mouse button and draw. Release the mouse button when your line is done. I am showing you another line by choosing another color. I am choosing color blue, choosing size more larger. Then I will show you. Just hold your mouse button and draw and release the mouse button when it done. Yes, this is another line of another size and another color. We can also use some other shapes by using shape tool. Click on shape tool, click on size and draw it. Yes, draw of any size. Draw with any size. Draw your shape and click the mouse on your screen and draw your shape tool. Choose your color from your color palette and draw your shape. Yes, we can draw any other shape or any other line by using line tool and shape tool. Now I will show you how to use paintbrush tool. Yes, you can see there is your toolbar and there is a paint tool. First you have to choose that paint tool and then you can draw anything by using paint tool. First we have to remove all this. If you want to save that, you have to save that image and you have to take another white background. Just click on new tool. You will get your background colors. I am choosing color white by double clicking. Just double tap on that white screen and it will show you two options. Yes, I want to save it. I am just click on right arrow. My previous image will be saved and I get a new white background. In this white background, I am showing you how to use paintbrush. I am selecting paintbrush tool from our toolbar and I will write something by using paint tool. I am choosing paint tool and then I will choose our color. I am selecting color red from our color palette. Then I will choose brush size. I am selecting this size and I will write something by using red color and paintbrush tool. Just hold on your mouse, write whatever you want to write and release the mouse whenever it is done. Yes, this is our class today. We have already revised our chapter how to use task paint, how we can use task paint by using some new tool, some background images, some toolbar with some new tools, with some many other tools like paintbrush tool, fill tool, line tool, shape tool, and we have already done by using line tool and shape tool, and we have select our image and also colored that image. This class is complete today and I will give you some question answers. Please note that question answers and practice this task pen on your own. Hare Krishna student, thank you.